Welcome to 3627 Princeton Court Southeast in Olympia, Washington. This is a 4-bed, 1 3/4 bath home on 1,500 square feet. We're situated on a 9,600 square foot lot. This is a 1-story home with a large 2-car garage. We're fully fenced in the backyard, which is very peaceful and features a private fire pit right off the master bedroom. We also have 2 large sheds. Let's go check it out. Welcome. Thank you for joining us today. As you can see, right as we come in through the front door, we're welcomed by a very well-lit living room, thanks to the skylights up in the ceiling. Also, take a look at this sweet gas fireplace and these brand new floors. Now let's take a look at the dining room and the kitchen. We'll check out the backyard and the garage at the end of this tour, but for now, let's go down the hallway and check out the bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. Now let's check out bedroom number 2. Now let's go check out bedroom number 3. Let's check out the main bathroom, then check out the master bedroom and bathroom. Now for the master. We'll see this when we go check out the back, but take a look at this fire pit right off of the master bedroom. Now that we've seen the master, let's go check out the garage and the backyard. The garage features overhead storage. This is also where the washer and dryer are, and as you'll see, we have a newer hot water heater and furnace. Now let's go check out the backyard. The backyard features this amazing fire pit right off of the master bedroom. It also features a back deck, a large fenced-in backyard, and let's go check out those 2 sheds. That about wraps up our tour for today, but let's head back out front for the final remarks. Thank you for joining us for today's tour. If you'd like a personal tour of this home, please reach out to your agent. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We hope you have a great day, and thank you for your interest in this listing.